Hey folks, it's Jim Thompson from Adirondack Jim's Carved Signs. Wanted to show off a planer that I'm using. A lot of times you have boards that are too wide to fit into your planer, and I built this jig with some ideas I got off of YouTube, and wanted to show you. So what we have here, the side rails are just 1.5 inch strips of hardwood. Okay, and these are held down with clamps. To hold the piece in firmly, what I did is I put 2 strips along here and here and clamped them on the sides to hold the piece in. Now remember, this piece isn't really completely flush, so what I do for that, I put some shims in over here to stop it from moving, and then I use a tip that the Wood Whisperer uses a lot, which is to draw lines across your piece. If the piece is flush, the lines should all be gone. So that's how the frame is set up. I made this jig myself with a Porter cable router that I just use for special operations. And I've got a base plate here. I used some Rockler template screws, which are fantastic. This is a sheet of 3/4 inch MDF. On the bottom, there's a special bit made by a company called Magnate. It's a planing bit, very sharp. It's 1.25 inch. And what I do for this is I set my router at 19,000 RPMs. Big bits, you don't want to go too fast. It's unsafe and it'll cause burns. So what I'm going to do, how this basically works, I hold both ends here. I have a camera in one hand, so I can't really. And you just go back and forth with this. And I lower it manually until everything's flush. And when we're done with this, I'm going to show you how it came out. Some of these boards are uneven. This one is about 1/8 of an inch bigger than the other piece from the mill. So stay tuned and I'll show you how this comes out.